Should we? Look at this motorized nothing piece of plywood. Yeah. Whoa. This is fucking awesome, dude. Stylish belts.
What I saw on the listening call. Where the cops came and everyone just like shuttered all the shops just like stood outside like acting like they were doing nothing. Which is way more. I guess in a way they weren't doing anything. Okay, here we go, look at this.
High-end men's.
Oh, it's all women. First floor is women, but it's all men. Holy shit.
Rose. Big Mom.
What? Oh wow.
Big Mom.
I mean, it's like this is pretty cool, but does anyone have a Metro shirt? I don't think so.
That's true, you do have the most badass one.
It only took me 25 minutes to get.
Yeah, this is like a totally different feel or shopping experience.
Like this is where the grandparents, they should bring the girls here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, maybe not like this one specifically, but like,
Yeah,
there's
yeah,
gotta be
that's
a
fine.
girl and like a women and children's one.
Sure.
Where it's just this, but like, this thing, nothing here. Not a single thing is quite. I mean, that's the thing, it's all there to do.
Somebody's smoking.
Oh, yeah.
We're on a bunch of clothes.
Yeah, right?
I thought they were gonna be suits or something. I don't know why.
I mean, there are some things, but like,
I also have seen the most foreigners I've ever seen here in this vicinity.